Welcome to my New York City apartment that I already left. I lived in the Kips Bay area in Manhattan that the average rent was $4,500 per month. This is the living room and kitchen area. I don't have the separate kitchen, so I created a divider here. This divider is hanged from the ceiling, composed with a series of cardboard cutouts. This is a tiny New York City apartment-sized kitchen, tiny stove, tiny sink. I had my contractor friend change the old faucet with the new dishwashing faucet, and I have him install a new shelf to hang pans. I like the view from this window. I hang the beads curtain here. My favorite monstera plants. Another monstera plant. I inherited these from a person who moved out from this building. Small roses, they bloom all year around. These avocado trees have grown so much. I planted seeds from the avocado I ate. The first two postcards are from Bauhaus. The third one is some unknown artist. The fourth one is a postcard from Rotterdam in Netherlands. I created a shelf above the air conditioner for the plants. A painting by a New York artist, Stephen Kogel. These are my dolls. Ukrainian poster. A Japanese rice paper shade. This is a futon bed with Indian bed cover with Indian pillowcases and fur pillowcase. This is my favorite painting. I was given this painting from my friend who painted this by himself. Later, I added this reptile, plastic reptile, on the painting. A tiny dining table that fits my apartment perfectly. I have a big printer that can print 11 by 17 paper size. I created a storage area under the printer. I keep all the boxes for the electronics and the other stuff, just in case I need to use the original boxes whenever I need to move. A mirror I purchased at the Housing Works long time ago. I brought this bookcase from the old apartment. I'm using the upper part of the bookcase as a pantry and the lower shelves for books and old paperwork. I already sold many books. This is the bathroom. These are my favorite hooks. This bathroom is very old. I had to change the shower head. These plants are grown a little too much. This window is perfect for plants. Just shelves above the toilet. Here's the New York retro bathroom. This is a bedroom. Tiny New York City apartment bedroom. I hang my clothing here and drawers and laundry basket and more clothing and the linens in the small closet. I hanged hats, belts, and bags. This apartment comes with an intercom. Thank you for watching. This was my apartment until I left in August 2022.